Yo, what's going on, beautiful people? I'm the Revive King, and you are in the lab with New Life Kicks. We bring dead kicks back to life, and today we got a pair of 2013 Laney 5s. They're not that bad, as you can see, but they definitely can use some more life. Let me show you how to give them life the new way. So our main area of focus on this pair is going to be the yellow soles and the yellow nets. Two things you want to keep in mind whenever you reverse yellowing is the number of wear, how many times that sneaker has been worn, and if any other products have been used on the soles or the netting. It doesn't look like any other products have been worn, and it looks like the guy actually took pretty good care of his sneakers. We're gonna go to the lab and we're gonna see what results we get using the Nu Antidote.
Today we'll need the NuSole Brush, the NuNylon Scrub, the NuEraser Sponge, a super soft bristle brush, of course the Nu Antidote, distilled water, and a lot of white microfiber towels.
The right shoe tends to get more dirty, so we're gonna clean the right shoe first.
If you have suede uppers, be sure to wrap the sneakers to protect them from dirty water and any solution. Water, the Nu Antidote, and the NuSole Brush is very effective for removing heavy dirt. Follow the traction patterns for a more efficient cleaning. Removing as much dirt as possible is the key to achieving max clarity. The NuNylon Scrub will help us get a deeper, better cleaning on the textured areas. For smooth or flat surfaces, the NuEraser Sponge comes in clutch. It achieves the closest clean possible so you can get the iciest sole. Don't forget to completely rinse the solution. For midsole stitching, we use the NuSole Brush to agitate the dirt. We're going to apply the same concept for midsole stitching, only this time we're going to use the Nylon Scrub. For super dirty stitching, you may have to repeat the process a couple of times. For the netting, we're going to focus on saturating the fabric behind the plastic. Once we've applied our water and Nu Antidote, we're going to use a super soft bristle brush and a nylon scrub to agitate the dirt.
This nylon scrub is only going to remove so much before your eyes, and this is why you want to depend on the high pressured air compressor to just blow the remaining dirt out. Same deal with the nets on the tongue, nylon scrub to agitate the top surface, and then you also have the super soft brush to kind of get in between the netting. And the high pressured air compressor is really clutch because what you can't touch, the high pressured air compressor is going to blow out.
Now we're going to completely rinse the sneaker and blow out all the stitching and fabric with an air compressor. The cleaning is done. Now we're off to the UV box for a 48-hour session. And after one cleaning and one UV session, we're back in the game. Some pairs may require multiple cleanings and UV sessions due to the level of dirt or wear. However, you see that difference. The Nu Antidote got them looking new again. Thanks for watching. Evolve the way you maintain your kicks.
New life is shoe life.